Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Olathe, Kansas, home of the Jayhawks. What we have here, we put in 8 of our piers around the north side and the back side of this house, a total of 8 King Pier 2s. Raised the house, the footing about 1.75 inches. Now, the last step to this was all done a couple of weeks ago. Now we're back. We tore out the floor. This work's done with Mike Markham. He's the general contractor on this. Hired us to pour the floor back. We don't really like pouring concrete. We'd rather be installing piers, but when we are asked to pour concrete, we do our very best, and we're going to get this done. It's only about 5 yards of concrete. Got all of our amigos here. Everything should go smooth. Stay with me. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.